The mystery of North Sentinel Island. North Sentinel Island is a small, heavily forested island located in the Bay of Bengal, part of the Andaman Islands archipelago in the Indian Ocean. It is home to one of the last uncontacted tribes in the world, the Sentinelese, who have had virtually no contact with the outside world and have remained isolated for thousands of years. The Sentinelese are believed to have migrated from Africa to the Andaman Islands around 60,000 years ago, and have lived in isolation on North Sentinel Island for the past 30,000 years. They are one of the few remaining hunter-gatherer societies in the world, and their language and customs are completely unknown. The island has a long and turbulent history. In the late 1800s, British colonizers attempted to establish contact with the Sentinelese, but their efforts were met with hostility and violence. The Sentinelese fiercely defended their island, and any attempts to approach them were met with arrows and spears. In 1974, a National Geographic film crew attempted to make contact with the Sentinelese, but they were met with hostility and had to retreat. In 1981, a cargo ship called the MV Primrose ran aground on the island, and the crew was rescued by the Indian Navy. When they returned to the island to retrieve the cargo, they were attacked by the Sentinelese and had to retreat. In November 2018, an American missionary named John Allen Chow was killed by the Sentinelese while attempting to establish contact with them. His death highlighted the danger and complexity of attempting to contact isolated tribes, and reignited the debate over whether or not to leave them alone. The mysteries surrounding the Sentinelese are numerous. It is not known how many people live on the island, but estimates range from 50 to 400. Their language, customs, and way of life are completely unknown, and they have remained isolated from the rest of the world for thousands of years. The island is also home to a number of endemic species of plants and animals that are found nowhere else in the world, but little is known about them due to the difficulty of studying the island's ecosystem. Due to their isolation, very little is known about the lifestyle of the Sentinelese people. They are believed to be hunter-gatherers, relying on fishing, hunting, and gathering wild plants for sustenance. They live a semi-nomadic life, moving around the island depending on the availability of food and resources. The Sentinelese are also known for their hostility towards outsiders, as they have attacked and killed people who have attempted to approach their island. As a result, very little is known about their culture, beliefs, and social structure. It is believed that the Sentinelese people have lived on North Sentinel Island for thousands of years and have developed a unique way of life that is adapted to the island's environment. Despite the limited knowledge of their way of life, it is important to respect their isolation and allow them to continue to live as they choose. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.